So we're not totally sure where we are right now. It's currently raining. Good morning, by the way. We are gonna be docking in Nagasaki, Japan today. Yeah, we have to go through customs today, so it's gonna be probably a longer time getting off the boat.
It's freaking Japan.
He was over there. Well, right now, Haley is doing her homework in the middle of the ship. I'm staying here in the room to do some editing and catching up on some of the vlogs because I'd rather not be behind when I get back because it's just going to be a lot to deal with. Right now it's 6:53, so we already had breakfast and all that stuff. We're docking at 7, and I think it's gonna, like, we have to exit the boat in orders that they call us in to go through that Japanese custom. Speaking of editing, I feel like I get a few comments about, you know, there being shaky footage and like my color grading that I use is not good or depressing even. And I just want to say, like, I take my inspiration from other YouTubers that are doing well, and they also have like a very moody cinematic color grade. So I know that it works. It just may not be for the specific people that are watching my videos. You know what I mean? I like the stylistic perspective on my color grading and stuff. I think it looks really cool and I'm gonna stick with it. So that's just not gonna change. This is a vlog. So obviously there's gonna be some shaky footage because I'm literally holding a heavy camera. Like, this is a cinematic camera and it's heavy. Like, I'm not gonna lie, it's heavy. Especially if you're out here for a while talking to it and you're holding it like this, you know what I mean? When people critique, you do have to listen to some extent, but also it's ultimately down to your own creative perspective.
We are currently still in the process of setting up the gangway and waiting for clearance from the local authorities. Now, this morning, very important, as part of Japanese regulations, all guests on board are required to go through a face-to-face immigration inspection in the terminal building.
For those of you guys who have never been on a cruise before, don't do the shore excursions from the boat. Don't book them through it. You can easily do it a lot cheaper on your own. Literally what Haley and I did yesterday, so our Jeju Island, we got a regular bus, like a local bus, that cost us like 6,000 plus, it was like 3,000 each, so like 9,000 won, which is like a few bucks in America. They charged $130 to take you from the cruise ship to the waterfall on a bus. Like, there's a big difference, and I think that's what we do so well is budget travel. How to get the most out of your experience and not have to pay an arm and a leg for some of the fun things. I mean, obviously, if you're old and rich, go for it, you know? You have money to waste. But like me, no. Anyways, regardless, I'm gonna do some editing, my stylistic editing choices. It's supposed to rain all day long in Nagasaki. What am I gonna do for cameras? Ripped my GoPro. I literally cracked the screen and now I can't use it underwater. Should we just wear flip-flops for today? Because it's gonna get so
Honestly,
fucking wet.
I might wear flip-flops instead of my shoes because I don't think my shoes will recover in time for tomorrow.
We don't have rain jackets either. Oh God. Okay, we're heading to the exit. We can go a little bit early. We have all of our passports, our cards. It's gonna be pouring, so this should be interesting.
Thank you.
It's pouring. It is pouring. We got through everything, customs, perfectly fine. It's still like raining. At least it's not like pouring, but it's raining.
Is that thunder though?
That's thunder, yes.
Nice.
Yeah, nice. Anyways, we're gonna try to make it to the train station, and then from the train station we're gonna go to the bomb museum, which should be inside, so.
今日と明日になりました。期日前。
Well, where are we going? Experience, but it's cool. Back in the rain, headed to a park, the Epicenter Park, in the rain. this stuff. We found a 7-Eleven to get snacks, and then I don't really know where we're gonna go after. We might call it, but we might walk around aimlessly. I don't really know. But right now we're getting some snacks.
Plastic's wrapped in.
Yeah, sometimes it comes out, sometimes it doesn't.
Oh, so it's like fine.
Mm-hmm. So yeah, they have the bus stop. Okay, so some lady we just walked by, she looked at her umbrella and she like held it out towards us, and like we didn't even know her, she didn't even talk any English, but she just offered her umbrella for us. Like, that was so sweet. It was so sweet. Ugh, I love it here. So we're not totally sure where we are right now, but we're going in the direction where we're supposed to. We're at a mall right now. I feel like the port is that way, for sure. Okay, our boat is right there. We just have to walk there. We are in the mall, drenched. Obviously. What?
That's like my
Yeah. It's cold, but I'm having fun. It's a very open concept mall. Like, all the stores are just open. There's no doors or anything like that, which is interesting. I think I'm in stationary heaven right now. Oh yeah. Wow, it just keeps going. Oh yeah, they do have Nerf guns. Look at that. This is like 50 different versions of the same thing. Same thing. Now we're in the arcade section of this mall. Wow. There's a pizza place. Okay, their displays of food are so much better than America, for sure. I mean... Whoa. Well, that was fun, interesting. See how they do their malls here. It's definitely like a culture change. Like, it's interesting. It's misting at this point, so I'm probably gonna put this camera away, switch to one of my other ones. But we're gonna head back to the boat anyway, so probably not much else to do or see. Yo, what are these things? They're like bugs. No, I know. Okay, maybe I'm not sitting down, but check this out. Dude, these mountains are crazy. They don't have much protein in terms of fish, or they don't have that many beans. They have like black beans, but that's about it. Anyways, I'm excited for dinner though, because I worked out, so I need that protein. My muscles are crying. Just killing time until dinner. So down by the lifeboats. The lifeboats in question. I have put down the third bed.
Guess who's sleeping there tonight?
I'm sleeping there tonight.
Put the railing up.
It's a cot. One hot and a cot.
Put the railing up.
Did you get that reference?
No, put the railing.
It's a prison reference.
Put the railing up. I'm gonna shut you
This
into.
is,
I'm gonna shut you
This
into
is cabin
the wall.
life right now.
I'm gonna shut you in.
You can't even lift me up, girl.
Shut up.
Life on a cruise ship. Yum.
Good evening, welcome to the show.
Thank you, thank you. Tonight's show is a country show. Going back to my roots in North Carolina.
Blazing boots.
Blazing boots.
Or is it boots blazing?
Something boots and on fire. So yeah, yay, cowboys. All right, so that was the show. It was an okay show. I only watched or like pay attention to like the dancers, but more specifically the females, because the men were just grinding. Like every 20 seconds they were grinding on the floor, on themselves. Like it was just like they were, I don't know what was in the air tonight, but anyways, I'm tired. I'm ready to go to bed. I'm gonna upload and sort these clips on my hard drives. But yeah, Nagasaki, an interesting place. I honestly did not expect it to be like this, or that rainy and wet. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Everything is linked down in the description below as always, including my Patreon page. So if you want to go support me, you totally can. Please do, because I'm out of a job. So yeah, anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next video where we go to Kagoshima. Okay, good night.